all mine.
Hello.
Hey, we'll be home in another hour.
Hello.
Don't take long to get.
Yeah, that's
get
what I
there.
got for gas.
There you go. That's
Chandra,
Yeah.
cheaper on gas.
That's good.
I'll
Yeah.
fill it up and I'll last me 2
Hello.
weeks.
Hello.
What's your name?
Nothing wrong with that.
Hey, what's your name? Can you whistle?
It's hot out here, huh?
Yeah.
Usually we don't have all that stuff.
Hello?
We don't have it clean out here. And
Hello.
we got picnic table.
Hello. Hello.
She fell out here barbecue.
Hello.
Well, yeah, we used to have a good time in Cameron there.
Hello.
When we still had our house in there. We had a slam on here. Got up on here. We had a picnic table. We barbecue. Yeah. We parked underneath the house. And
He's over making a lab over there. You taking him?
You ain't doing no more.
Hello.
Hello.
don't laugh like you used to, though.
Oh,
You have to laugh more than that.
Go, woo! But when you stir him up.
Woo.
you don't whistle?
Mabel?
Yeah.
Mabel?
He's waving now. He's waving.
Hello.
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 He used to holler.
Okay, Sam.
Uh-huh.
He needs his toenails cut.
Hello.
Hello, Mabel.
Bring him back to the bed.